Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here. I'm finally gonna go see the, Bob Marley movie, and I'm have my little Bob Marley though. So today we're gonna create a Bob Marley kind of, liberation situation. So if you wanna see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I actually got this. So this is red. So let's jump. This is actually called Scream of Consciousness from About Face. I actually thought this was a lipstick, but apparently it's an eyeshadow. So I'm gonna put it like right here. Like so, and then hopefully this doesn't like stain my eyelid because all my brushes. And then I'm just gonna blend it. Okay. This is blending nicely. But yesterday, I used it as a lipstick. And it actually works out very well, very well. And it lasted long, so I'm just blending the edges. I don't know, this almost looks orange on camera, but nope, it's red. It is red. See, that looks orange to me. But you know what? It is what it is. And this is a what? This is a T11, and I'm just gonna go ahead and buff this. Oops, thank God I'm not wearing white. So I think when it dries, it's a little bit hard to blend, but so when you put it, if you get this, you have to blend it right away. Because after that, anything blending. Okay, so I do want a little black. I don't want a lot of black, just a little. So this is Y208 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I'm going to my Makeup by Mario black because that shadow is so black, like right there. And I'm just putting it like right here, and I'm gonna leave it there. Like I'm not gonna bring it too up. So I just want a little. So this is not blending very well over this. It's still real patchy, and I know it's not the Makeup by Mario shadow because that shadow is like really good. Hopefully I don't just totally mess this up. So I'm trying to just make this stay kind of low. I don't want it high. But yeah, this is difficult to blend. Black is hard to blend. Like it don't matter what, like, but this shadow specifically, it's usually pretty easy. But today, it's giving me a run for my money. But it's okay, we'll make it work. Okay. No. I want to put some yellow and some green. And I'm gonna go into my Relentless palette. This palette is so bulky. And I'm gonna go into shade on Pitying. And I'm gonna put this right here. And then back to this black. Well, I'm not really putting any product on here. I'm just gonna try to blend this. And it's not gonna be like exactly like, you know, the shirt, just to give it like a little green, yellow, black. I'll put my own twist on it, you know. Like so, just. And now I'm dusting so many brushes. This is 421 from Morphe, and I'm going to that same palette, and I'm gonna go to Hard Hearted. I'm gonna put this right here. Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and time to talk about this foundation, which I had my hubby look for it. He can't find it. Oh, actually, it's on Amazon. Okay, so this is called UCANBE Matte Liquid Longwear Foundation. I think this is gonna be like, look at this. Oh my god. Okay. Let's put a little bit of primer. Actually, let me see what am I gonna do with this, because if it is like really light, we're just gonna not put it all over, you know. Cause girl, let's see. Like, look at this. Okay, that's fine. Let's just go into it. Like, look at how light this is. And then let's go in with my one side. Oh my god, this thing is light. I don't want to laugh, you know, because this is funny. It's so funny how light this thing is. That just seems like a lot, but you know what? It's fine. We're gonna make it work. I'm gonna use Carob from Black Opal. Nice. I must do like a whole ton of stuff down. I gotta like go real heavy with this, cause I mean, it's not like I don't go heavy normally, but this foundation is light. And we have to make it work, right? And then my concealer brush. And look up and tap. Doop, 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 doop. So wanna make sure you tap this right before you set it, because you don't want it to be like have creases. I mean, I have creases, don't get me wrong, but I'm gonna try to minimize as much of how it shows, you know what I mean? So let's go in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder in shade 1. And then we're gonna use our House Labs. This powder is about to get cut up. Like I did my Huda Beauty colors. The patience is wild. And then for the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my powder from Charlotte, but this time in shade 2. I'm gonna use my fake wick, or my fake awake from Tarte. And then I'm gonna do like a little black and then some green, and that's it. And then I'm gonna go into the green that I use and just blend this out a little bit. Now let us go ahead and bronze the face. This is from Iconic London and it is warm bronze. I'm just like warming up my face a little bit because this foundation was really light. And now I'm gonna go into my Too Faced multi-purpose powder and then I'm just gonna tighten that up like right here. And let's get a blush. Which one is this? Nope, this is too dark. I really need to just go through my stuff because I have so many different like blushes, but I use the same ones all the time. This is Glisten from Tarte. It's like it has like a shine in it there already. Like. And then I'm gonna use Beaming Blush. This is say blush, but this is like a straight up highlighter from MAC. Like I would not use this as a blush. I feel like to do something red, but yeah, this will work. This is Saffron from ABH. I just need to line my lip. And then this is So Gorgeous from Ace Beauty. Done. Or maybe not done. I feel like I have, look like I have a patch right here. And a little bit of setting spray from Scandinavia. Okay, so that's it, guys. I like how we're thinking about the lip gonna go with the eye and the shirt. I know it's a lot, but you know what? I have to represent. I'm gonna watch a Bob Marley movie, so I have to wear Bob Marley makeup. So that's it, guys, for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.